Question 1. According to the NIST definition, which of the following is not one of the 5 essential characteristics of cloud computing? Option A. On-demand self-service. Option B. Broad network access. Option C. Resource pooling. Option D. Dedicated hardware ownership. The correct answer is dedicated hardware ownership. Here's the explanation. Dedicated hardware ownership is characteristic of traditional on-premise IT environments, not cloud computing. The 5 essential characteristics of cloud computing are on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. Question 2. A startup company wants to quickly deploy a new application, scale its infrastructure rapidly based on fluctuating user demand, and minimize upfront capital expenditure. Which combination of cloud computing benefits directly addresses these needs? Option A. Increased physical security of data centers, reduced need for internet connectivity, and vendor lock-in. Option B. Agility, elasticity, and a shift from capital expenditure, CapEx, to operational expenditure, OpEx. Option C. Complete elimination of the shared responsibility model and guaranteed zero downtime. Option D. Localized data storage, manual resource provisioning, and fixed capacity. The correct answer is agility, elasticity, and a shift from capital expenditure, CapEx, to operational expenditure, OpEx. Here's the explanation. Cloud computing provides agility for rapid deployment, rapid elasticity to scale resources up and down with demand, and shifts costs from significant upfront capital expenditure, CapEx, to a pay-as-you-go operational expenditure, OpEx, perfectly meeting the startup's requirements. Question 3. What foundational technology enables cloud providers to abstract physical hardware resources, CPU, memory, storage, into virtual resources that can be shared among multiple isolated workloads on a single physical server? Option A. Containerization. Option B. Serverless functions. Option C. Virtualization. Option D. Blockchain. The correct answer is virtualization. Here's the explanation. Virtualization, primarily implemented through hypervisors, is the foundational technology that abstracts physical hardware into virtual machines, VMs. This allows multiple isolated workloads to run on a single physical server, enabling resource pooling and rapid elasticity, which are core to cloud computing. Question 4. A startup is launching a new SaaS application and needs to minimize upfront infrastructure costs while ensuring they can quickly adapt to changing user demand. Which core benefit of cloud computing directly addresses these two requirements? Option A. Reduced operational burden and global reach. Option B. CapEx to OpEx shift and scalability/elasticity. Option C. Enhanced security and disaster recovery. Option D. High performance and innovation. The correct answer is CapEx to OpEx shift and scalability/elasticity. Here's the explanation. The shift from capital expenditure, CapEx, to operational expenditure, OpEx, minimizes upfront costs, as the startup pays only for what they consume. Scalability and elasticity allow the application to automatically adjust resources based on fluctuating demand, enabling quick adaptation without over-provisioning. Question 5. Which statement accurately differentiates scalability from elasticity in the context of cloud computing? Option A. Scalability refers to automatically adjusting resources, while elasticity is the ability to handle increased load by adding resources. Option B. Scalability is the ability to handle increased load, whereas elasticity is the automatic times ability to acquire and release resources to match fluctuating demand. Option C. Elasticity is exclusively about adding more instances, while scalability is about increasing the power of existing instances. Option D. Both terms are synonymous, and describe the same capability to handle varying workloads. The correct answer is scalability is the ability to handle increased load, whereas elasticity is the times automatic times ability to acquire and release resources to match fluctuating demand. Here's the explanation. Scalability is the ability of a system to handle a growing amount of work by adding resources. Elasticity is a more dynamic form of scalability, specifically the ability to automatically and rapidly provision and deprovision computing resources to match fluctuating demand, often in real time. Question 6. According to the shared responsibility model in cloud computing, which of the following tasks is typically the customer's responsibility when using infrastructure as a service, IaaS? Option A, physical security of the data centers. Option B, security of the underlying cloud infrastructure hardware. Option D, ensuring the availability of the cloud provider's global network.